Gas bikes. This is your warning. The future of speed is electric. Meet the Lightning LS 218, the fastest electric motorcycle ever built, 218 miles per hour. Let that sink in. This isn't some quiet commuter bike. This is a 200 horsepower monster that launches from 0 to 60 inches just 2.2 seconds. That's supercar territory. No engine roar, no fuel lines. Just instant torque the moment you twist the throttle. And with a range of 120 miles on a full charge, this isn't a prototype dream. It's real. It's here. And it's rewriting performance history. For decades, speed meant gasoline. Not anymore. The Lightning LS 218 proves one thing. The revolution won't rumble. It will strike.